Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe in this month of blessings. May Allah protect all Muslims and forgive their sins. Let's recite second Ashraf's dua. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu ilayh. Now let's start with this week's task. Now it's task 4, working with tables. We have to discuss pages from 58 till 62. What are the main objectives of this task? First, understand the use of tables. Students can use tables when they want to show organized information in the text document. A table has rows, columns and cells like spreadsheet but without names. It is easy to format their tables not only by using the table style group but also creating a custom format. This is a good way to improve readability. Creating a custom format means the students can change the border and shading styles and colors. Of course, make sure that students are careful in selecting where they want to make changes. Practice different features given in the task, and at the end you have to perform hands-on activity. Now let's start what we have to do for creating tables. The first one is the method you can draw a table. Now how you can draw a table? First of all, you have to click insert tab, move the cursor where you want to insert the table in your document, click the table icon and pull down menu will appear. Now let's see what is the pull down menu. Here you can see in insert table there are a number of the boxes given. You can select a fixed number of the boxes to select as a row and as a column. Let's suppose you are going to draw a table of 3 columns and 4 rows. You can directly select number of the cells from here, and after that a table is drawn on the Word document. Now after drawing this table, you can insert rows and columns. If you want to add according to your data, you can easily add them. After that, there is another way to insert table in Microsoft document. That is, click the insert tab, move the cursor where you want to insert a table, click the table icon, a pull down menu will appear. After that, you will see a dialog box will appear on the screen. In this dialog box, a number of the columns is given, number of rows are given. After that, there are 3 behaviors are given: fixed column width, auto fit to the content and auto fit to the window. This means if you want to fix the width of the columns, whether the heading, caption or the you can see data in the column exceeds from the width of the column, it will remain fixed, it will not be changed. After that, if you select the option auto fit to the content, then if the text is you can say long in the any of the cell, the column width automatically change according to that text field. After that, auto fit to the window, it is another option. If it will you can say fit your table according to the screen of your laptop or your desktop PC. After that, you can select OK and a table will inserted in your document. Now after that, if we will discuss the detail of the 3 behaviors that were mentioned in the dialog box, that were: fixed column width defines a fixed size of the column width such as 0.3 inches. Auto fit to the content defines the width of the column based on the width of the largest item stored in the column. Then auto fit to the window expand or shrinks the table to fit within the current size of the document window. After that, click OK and the Word draws the table in your document. Now after this, we are going to discuss how we can insert a table in how we can apply different styles in MS Excel. And here is the pictorial representation of previous steps which we have discussed before that. Here Word file is given. After that, you can go to the insert tab and then you will select the table, and after that how you can draw a table in your document. Now come towards the MS Excel. It is another application in which The number of the rows, columns, cells, everything is predefined. Here what is the main thing that you require is you can apply different styles to a specified area or a specific area to show it that this is the highlighted area or this is the table that currently you are using in your document, and what are the different styles, how you can apply to them. Here are some of the steps mentioned. First, click the range of the cells you want to format as table. Go to the Home tab and see the style group and click the Format as Table command. Select the thumbnails which you want to use, and after that click OK. And here a list of the table styles and color schemes are given, and you can select any of them. After that, if you want to copy paste that table to Microsoft Word file, you can paste it. It will be copied as picture and you can directly paste into your Microsoft Word document. After that, you can resize it according to your document. After that, changing the column width of or the row height, it is another main important of the table. Here, if you can't see all the data in the cell, changing the row height or the column width can help. To increase the width of a single column, such as column B in the picture below, drag the boundary on the right side of the column B header until the column is the width that you want. To decrease width, drag to the left. Yes, obviously you can see in the picture the cursor is changed into a double arrowed pointer. This means that now you can drag drop this line. After that, to increase the width of the multiple consecutive columns, select the column you want to change, click the header a boundary of any of the selected column and drag to the right like in the picture below to decrease the width, or drag to the left one. After that, changing the row height, same procedure is followed. You can see double arrowed pointer is given, and to change the height of the multiple rows, select the rows you want to change and then drag the boundary below and selected row headings. After that, now here are the pictorial representation of the previous of the steps which we have discussed, that how you can change the row height or column width. At the end, what you have to do is align the text in the cell. It is the most important element, you can say, of the formatting, that how you can align your text in the table. I think you have seen different of the calendar formats in which you have seen that the days of the weeks or the names of the months are written in some of the innovative way, that some are horizontal, or you can say they are aligned to the number of a degree of any of style, or you can see that sometimes they are written in ascending or descending order even. Now, what are the different styles and how you can apply to different text alignment to them? Number one is select the cell that have the text you want to align. On the Home tab, choose one of the following alignment options. To vertically align text, pick top align, middle align, or the bottom align. To horizontally align text, pick align text left, center, or align text right. When you have a long line of text, part of the text might not be visible. To fix this without changing the column width, click wrap text. And to center text spanning several columns or rows, click merge and center. And I think wrapping text and merge and center are the most important element of formatting the table. After that, our dialog box you can see on the screen, in which you can see text alignments are given horizontal, vertical, and text controls are given, that wrap text, sharing to the fit or merge cells. And at the right side of the screen, orientation is given, that how to which number of degrees you are going to you can say align your text. There are many of the options given, or there are many of the patterns given according to which you can align your text. And after that, click OK, and you will see that what you have applied to the table, it will be displayed on the file. In the end, you are going to perform hands-on activity, and your hands-on activity is create a table with your school schedule. Put the days in the first row and the hours in the first column, and your subjects in appropriate cells. Format the schedule any way you like. Use a big font size and print it for your desk or bedroom if you are having printer at your home. Otherwise, you have to perform this hands-on activity and then you have to directly upload it on AIS. I think this will help you to complete your assignment. Thanks for your participation, and Allah Hafiz.